Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Heaven, your trusted spot for the best Amazon deals and reviews. If you're thinking about stepping into 3D printing in 2025, this is the video for you. I've added all the Amazon best deal links in the description below, so make sure to check today's prices because some of these printers are on limited time discounts. Now, let's dive into the top 5 best 3D printers in 2025 that deliver speed, accuracy, and value, whether you're a hobbyist, a pro, or even a complete beginner. Number 5. Fully assembled mini 3D printer for kids and beginners. Starting the list is a compact option that's designed for kids and total beginners. This mini 3D printer comes fully assembled, which means no headache of setup. You literally unbox it, plug it in, and start printing. It features auto leveling, so you don't have to worry about calibration, and it even comes with 10 meters of PLA filament and an SD card, so you can start creating right away. The best part? It's Wi-Fi compatible and works with Mac, Windows, and Linux, making it super versatile. It's not built for large-scale or professional projects, but for educational use, DIY fun, or as a first-time printer, it's hard to beat. Parents looking to introduce kids to 3D printing, or hobbyists who just want a simple entry-level machine will love this one. If you're aiming for advanced, skip it, but if you're learning, this is perfect. Number 4. Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo Multicolor 3D Printer. Now this one is for people who love creativity. The Anycubic Cobra S1 isn't just a 3D printer, it's a multicolor powerhouse. With the Anycubic Ace Pro system, you can print with up to 4 colors at once, and it even has built-in drying while printing, which is huge for keeping filament quality consistent. It prints at speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, has a 320-degree high-temp hot end, and includes a built-in camera so you can monitor your prints remotely. And despite all that power, it runs at just 44 decibels, which is whisper quiet for a machine of this size. This is a dream for creators who want to make colorful prototypes, cosplay parts, or decorative pieces. The only downside, it's more complex, so not the best choice for complete beginners. But if you want high-speed, multicolor printing and pro features, this is a beast. Number 3. Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro 3D Printer. Next up, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro strikes a really solid balance between affordability and professional features. It comes with auto bed leveling, a dual-gear direct extruder, and dual lead screw drive, which means smooth and consistent printing even for taller objects. The printing size is pretty generous at 8.85 by 8.85 by 11 inches, giving you room for decent-sized projects. The removable capacitive touchscreen makes it easy to control, and the overall build quality is reliable. For the price, it's hard to beat. This printer is best suited for hobbyists and intermediate users who want a reliable machine without spending a fortune. Beginners can use it too, but it might take a little learning curve compared to the mini printer. If you want consistent, high-quality prints without overspending, Neptune 3 Pro is a top pick. Number 2. FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro. At number 2, we have the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro, which is all about making 3D printing easier and faster. With its one-click auto printing system, you don't need to spend hours adjusting settings. It just works. It features 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing, a quick detachable 280-degree nozzle, and a Core XY all-metal structure for precision and durability. The print volume is 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, which is a nice balance for both small and medium projects. What I really like here is how user-friendly it is. If you want pro-level prints but don't want the hassle of constant tinkering, this is the one. The downside? It's a bit pricier, but you're paying for speed and convenience. Perfect for small businesses, serious hobbyists, or schools that need reliability. Number 1. Creality K1C 3D Printer 2024 new version. And finally, at number 1, we've got the Creality K1, easily one of the fastest and most powerful consumer 3D printers right now. This thing prints at 600 millimeters per second, supports carbon fiber filament, and can reach 300-degree high-temp printing without clogging. It's equipped with auto leveling and a direct drive extruder, so prints come out smooth and consistent even with tougher materials. This makes it perfect for not only hobbyists, but also engineers, designers, and creators who need precision and durability. The K1C is built like a tank, and it's versatile enough to handle professional-grade projects at home. If you're serious about 3D printing in 2025 and want one machine that does it all, the Creality K1C is absolutely worth it. So, those are the top 5 best 3D printers in 2025. From beginner-friendly options to professional-grade powerhouses, there's something here for every budget and skill level. Which one would you add to your workshop? Drop your pick in the comments. And remember, I've added all the Amazon Best Deal links down in the description. Check them out to see today's prices, because these deals don't always last. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more of the best Amazon deals and reviews. Thanks for watching, Consumer Heaven, and I'll catch you in the next one.